I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust Kia Picanto headlights. First, park your car on a flat surface, about 25 feet from a wall or garage door. Make sure your tire pressure is set correctly, as this impacts headlight alignment. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape to complete this simple adjustment. This process will help improve your night driving visibility and safety. Next, let's mark your reference points on the wall. Measure the height from the ground to the center of each headlight lens. Transfer these measurements to the wall using tape or a pencil to create horizontal lines. Then, measure the distance between the centers of your two headlights. Mark this horizontal distance on the wall too, creating vertical lines for each headlight's center. These marks are crucial for accurate adjustment. Now it's time to find the adjustment screws. Open your Kia Picanto's hood. Look behind each headlight assembly. You should see two distinct screws. One screw controls the vertical aim of the headlight beam, moving it up or down. The other screw manages the horizontal aim, shifting the beam left or right. If you have trouble locating them, your vehicle's owner's manual provides a detailed diagram for precise identification. Finally, let's adjust the headlights. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to turn the vertical adjustment screw. Turn it clockwise to raise the beam and counterclockwise to lower it. Aim for the brightest part of the beam to be about 2 inches below your marked horizontal line. Then, use the horizontal screw to center the beam. Repeat for the other headlight, ensuring both are symmetrically aligned for safe and effective illumination.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.